Habitat fragmentation occurs when large, continuous habitats are divided into smaller, isolated patches, often due to human activities such as urbanization, agriculture, road construction, and logging. This fragmentation reduces the available space for species to live, feed, and reproduce, and it can have serious consequences for biodiversity. One of the primary effects of habitat fragmentation is the creation of edge habitats, where the boundary between the fragmented habitat and developed areas forms. Edge habitats tend to have different environmental conditions than interior habitats, such as more light, wind, and human disturbance. These changes can make edge habitats unsuitable for some species, leading to a decline in biodiversity. Fragmentation also limits the ability of species to move between habitat patches, reducing genetic diversity and increasing the risk of inbreeding. Populations that are isolated from one another may not have access to new mates, leading to a decline in reproductive success and making them more vulnerable to extinction. Species that require large territories, such as big predators like wolves or tigers, are particularly affected by habitat fragmentation, as they may not be able to find enough space to hunt and reproduce. Conservation efforts to combat habitat fragmentation include creating wildlife corridors to connect isolated habitat patches, restoring degraded habitats, and protecting large areas of natural ecosystems from further development.